Hey guys, welcome back. Sunday, May 23rd. I just want to take a look at uh, Bitcoin. It's in here in about 2 hours. The weekly candle is going to close on one of the biggest dumps in a long time in cryptocurrency. So I just want to check it out and see what's going on. As you can see, this blue line right here, that's the 200-day EMA, and on the weekly, we are still way above it, which is, that's generally a bullish sign. Okay, here is the EMA ribbon. As you can see, all these like red to yellow lines, they're just different plotted out at these ranges. They're just different daily plots on the estimated moving average or exponential moving average. And as you can see, this green line coming up right here is kind of like the supply line. The demand line, and that's like what creates the ascending trend and the price accumulation. And as you can see on this dump down, it touched off of that line and then it bounced back up. And if we go down to the daily, you can see it tried to do it again and it bounced back up. In the 4 hours, you can see how it did a 50% and people were thinking about it, and then it did another 50% from here to here, and then it broke through and it got to there and it touched again. 29,157, that's going to be a strong support level. Let's go back to the weekly though. As you can see also, what I'm looking at, and just for the record, I just want to let y'all know again, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun, and this is just I'm studying as I go, and this is what I'm learning, and this is what I'm in the time that I've spent educating myself on chart analysis, this is what I have learned along the way, and it seems to have been playing out for me so far. So I just thought I would share and help maybe teach or educate those that are interested. But so the 200 EMA we've established is we're above that. That's bullish. This is the demand line. We're above that. That's bullish. We have 2 hours to go, and if this stays above that, it's hard to say, but I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna at least go back up to like the 45,000, maybe 40 between 45 and 48,000 area. That's safe to say if you want to get out. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't sell now. You got too much downward momentum. Even look like this is up in 3 weeks, and it 1 week it did half of the gains. And so you guarantee. It's gonna come back up. You just gotta be strong. Okay, out here, you can see right here. On this is a volume candle, a peak point in volume, and you can see right there is where it had a breakout, and it retraced back down 50%, which normally does, and then it went up. It had another breakout. Here's another volume. Like after these two, you can see the volume came down, and then it after it hit 50%, the volume shot back up, and boom. Okay, so but you can see gradually the volume is starting to diminish over this time. So, and the price action is starting to consolidate around this area, which is a good sign that it is potentially going to reverse. Right now we're at this long candle, or this long volume. There's a whole bunch of volume coming in this week. There was a whole bunch of bear volume, selling volume pressure. But we're right now we're still above this bottom line of the EMA ribbon, which is a good sign. If we close below that, that could be potentially bad, but we still have 2 hours to close above it. Hopefully, ideally, we could get up above there, up back to around 40,000 within the next 2 hours. Unlikely, but I've seen crazier, like a couple weeks ago or a week ago. Anyway, yeah, this is just kind of what I'm just wanted to get out there. This is what I'm seeing. Hopefully I can get some feedback if what anybody else thinks. All right, peace.